What's up with y'all, bro? Today on the channel, we got chest day. Today it was raining kind of hard. Not exactly in this first clip, but after this first clip, it was raining pretty hard. And my mom was like, man, you gotta go sit your ass down. It's raining outside. You got that motherfucking dog in you. You gotta feed that motherfucking dog anytime. That don't mean just because of the fact it's raining or it's thundering, you take your ass inside and you start being a fucking bitch. You go get some chili, you know what I'm saying, some crackers, and you go sit down and you have a nice day off. You go fucking work out no matter what, you know what I'm saying. So with that being said, man, I hope y'all enjoy this short ass video. I'm gonna play this anime funk bullshit for y'all, and y'all finna enjoy this fucking clips of me working out hitting bench. I love y'all, man. I'm gonna see y'all later. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all like this, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Toodles.
Kept hitting this motherfucking AC unit right here. This bitch trying to slow me down and shit. Get the fuck out my way. Fucking piece of shit. Had 3 more in me. 3 more fucking in me, and this bitch wanna sit here and keep trying to fuck up my sets.
I am so lonely. All the other filter mites are scared of me. No one talks to me. No one wants to be my friend. They think I am unstable. They send me from planet to planet committing atrocities in their name. And as I get better at it, they fear me more and more. I am a victim of my own success. Conquest. I don't even get a real name. Only a purpose. I am capable of so much more and no one sees it. Some days I feel so alone I could cry, but I don't. I never do. Because what would be the point? Not a single person in the entire